Yesterday we completed definitions of uh, group homomorphism, kernel homomorphism, then subgroup. In subgroup, another property is there, very important theorem. It's everything I'll prove, just you can note down. The necessary and sufficient condition for a non-empty subset H of a group the necessary sufficient condition for a non-empty subset H of a group G star to a subgroup is A comma B belongs to H means implies A star B inverse also belongs to C. Necessary sufficient condition means what? If and only if. If this is true, that is true. If that is true means you have to come back. Both sides you have to prove. That is called if and only if condition, necessary and sufficient. This is necessary means I have to reach. Suppose that is sufficient means what you have to come back. So both ways you have to prove that. Suppose if it is a subgroup means what? A star B, H is suppose this is true means what? That should be subgroup. Like this you have to prove. Correct or not? Now let take how we will prove. Let HBA, now I am starting HBA subgroup. If it is HBA subgroup means what? This I want to prove this is two lines. Correct? Now we see. Let the first condition is what? Necessary sufficient condition means what? If it is true, this you can condition prove. Suppose this condition true means what? That should be as a subgroup you can prove. That is called if and only if condition are necessary and sufficient. Now we see. Now my first condition I am proving. Let H be a subgroup. Now I am assuming H be as a subgroup. Subgroup means what you know? A comma B belongs to H means you know yes, A inverse and B inverse also belongs to H or not. Are you agree or not? A subgroup, some elements in belongs to subgroup means what? That inverses also belong. That is only rule or not? What is the subgroup rule actually? If first condition is what? A comma B belongs to H means what? A star B belongs to H. That is E comma H. E belongs to means what? E is identity of G star. Then the third condition is what? A belongs to H means what? A inverse also belongs to H. Am I correct or not? Yes, yes or no? That is the rules for the subgroup. If three conditions satisfy, this is a subgroup of the G star main group. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, actually, I am taken for granted A comma B belongs to H. Means obviously, A inverse also belongs to H. B star also, B inverse also belongs to H or not. Now, I want to prove that A star B inverse. Then this implies what? B inverse also belongs to H. So, if subgroup is compulsory closure, so that means what? A star B inverse also belongs to H. It's proved. This is the necessary condition. Reaching or not? If I am starting H is a subgroup mean A comma B belongs to H means what? Obviously A inverse belongs to H, B inverse also belongs to H. B inverse belongs to H means what? Automatically its closure property will satisfy. A star B inverse also belongs to H. It's true. So this is necessary condition. It is sir, okay, yeah. Any doubt? Now, first I am assuming H is subgroup. Then I proved A star B inverse also belongs to H. I proved. Now, second condition of I will take A comma B inverse belongs to H. I will take. Then I want to prove that H is a subgroup. Correct? Copy it or not? Just copy it down fast. இது வந்து now, second condition. The condition is necessary proved. Now, sufficient condition I want to prove that. So, this subject somewhat vague subject. We have to read actually theory. So, only theory, not like a mathematics. It's a mix of the theory actually. It's a standard subject. So you have to read again once, twice. Then only you'll understand. Normal math 3, 1, 2, 3. Not like this integration, differentiation. We can play easily. But somewhat it's hard. You have to read. Now, let's assume A star B inverse belongs to H. I am taking where A comma B belongs to H. Where H is a non-empty set and H is a subset of G. Suppose, no, you assume if B is equal to A, then given condition is what? A star B inverse means what? A star A inverse belongs to H. It's true. A star A inverse belongs to H by, because E is belongs to H, obviously. That is the subgroup. So from this what we write? E belongs to H. And all I can say, this is a proof. What I want to tell actually, closure property I want to start actually. Then empty E belongs to H I want to tell. Then AB whole inverse I want to tell. AB whole inverse I want to tell. Not AB inverse, sorry. A and A inverse also I want to tell. Correct? If I want to prove that subgroup means what? It satisfies three conditions. What condition? A comma B belongs to H means what? A star B belongs to H. If E belongs to H means what? E is the identity of G star. For any A belongs to H, A inverse also belongs to H, and I want to prove that. So, if A comma B belongs to A, B is equal to, if A means what? This is, I am taking this is 2. So, A into A inverse belongs to H, then E belongs to H. So, obviously, A inverse belongs to H. I can say A inverse belongs to H from this. Using the given condition, for the pair E and A belongs to H, then E star A inverse also belongs to H. That is, from this what we will say, A inverse also belongs to H. That is the second proverb. A inverse belongs to H means what? Then B inverse also belongs to H. This already taken, we is taken. A star B inverse belongs to H, we taken. If B inverse belongs to H means what? I want to prove that B also belongs to H. Then using this condition, A star B inverse, if I take for the whole element, belongs to H. So that is what? A star B belongs to H. A star B belongs to H means what? B also belongs to H. Some 1 and 2, 3 is what this can say. 1. This is E also belongs to H, you can say. 2. A inverse also, this is 2 we get it. This is 3. From 1 and 2, 3 we get is what follows. H star is a subgroup of G star. So proved. So subgroup means what I want to this closure property. Then E will be belongs to H, that E should be G star E. Then our property is what? If A belongs to H means A inverse also belongs to H, I want to prove that. So proved. 3 properties are proved means what? H is a subgroup, we can tell. Now come on, 4 sets. H star is a subgroup of G star, then that's it. A belongs to G, AH is equal to A star H such that H belongs to E. This is called nothing but left coset. H star is a subgroup of G, then set AH. AH, how can you define all A star H? Then where H belongs to H? A belongs to G. This is called representation of element of a left coset of AH. This AH means you can call left coset AH. Right coset means what you will get? AHA you will get. Then that is H star A you will get. Small H star A. Similarly, the set, this will set actually H star A such that H belongs to H. It's called right coset. Generated by A belongs to G, that is important. A belongs to G, H belongs to H. Actually, Lagrange's theorem is there that I will prove later, important theorem. Just note down, proof I will give you later. Very, very important theorem. Proof I will give you later, don't worry. Finite proof is a divisor of the order of the group. The order of a subgroup of a finite subgroup is a divisor of the order of the group. How you will get? So it is divided actually. How can you write actually? Already A divides B means what? B by A. This is some number you will get. So similarly, what you will get? Order of H divides by order of G is some constant you will get. Divides. Proof I will use, lot of proofs are there, I will tell you and show you. See, another derivation, the order of any element of a finite group is a divisor of the order of the group. This is one important. G is a finite group, that is okay. Second, that proves small proofs. You just take a note down later. I will use this very different term. There is small proof I will buy, easy proof. Yeah, something will confuse. A normal subgroup. This I will prove, don't worry. Next class, 2 hours class, then no. That all we do every important things, all things in this unit, then we wind up. Is left and right coset is generated by A. Left coset is equal to right coset. If AH is equal to HA means you can say that group is subgroup H star. H star is a subgroup of G star. You can write AH is equal to HA. Left group is equal to right coset means what? You can say normal group. Here H belongs to already belongs to H. AH is a set actually, set of all elements. A belongs to G. It's called normal subgroup. 1 minute, I will complete. Okay. So then okay, there's a normal subgroup and Lagrange theorem also the removed in the syllabus. It's not required. The old syllabus is already there. I don't see the new syllabus. Okay. No. Ring. constant of E. Okay. Take ring. An algebraic system. So two operations, two binary operations. Non-empty set. Then plus and star are two closely binary operations. Which may be this is not plus means is not a addition and star means not multiplication. Some rule they may define actually. They may tell a plus b equal to, they may define a by b into a square plus b square plus 2ab like this. Some operation actually. You don't feel actually ordinary. Okay. The following is some different binary operation is called a ring. If it's called ring means what? It's called ring. Three conditions it satisfies. R plus is an abelian. R star is the semi-group. Abelian means what? That for five conditions it satisfies. Closure, associative, existence of identity, existence of in inverse. But semi-group means what I said, first two properties satisfies, is can say semi-group. Monad means what? First three groups means monad actually. So closure and associate satisfies means semi-group. Then operation star. Operation star distributive over plus. Suppose that meaning is what? That is A comma B comma C belongs to R means what? A star B plus C is equal to A star B plus A star C. Not that it required this determinant. Then B plus C star A means what? B star A plus C star A. I will stop here. So that normal subgroup not there, Lagrange's theorem is there, but Lagrange is very very important. But now they are removed, I think, so for this regulation. So, now, come on, give at least 569,
Yes, sir.
70, 570, sorry, 71, 71, 72, 73, 70, 71, 70 also absent. 70, 73, 74,
Present, sir.
74, 75,
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
76,
Present, sir.
73, are you there? Absent, 73. 74, present, 75, 76, present, 77,
Present, sir.
77, present,
Present, sir.
78,
77.
Sir, 73 present.
73, everybody are not telling, okay. 79,
580, sir.
are not there, okay. 80 is there. 81,
Present, sir.
82, 82 option, 82, present, sir.
Sir,
70,
72 has written in chat box.
82, 83,
Present, sir.
84,
Sir, 72 has written in chat
yeah,
box.
84 not there, sir. 85 present.
85, present, 86,
Present, sir.
87,
Present, sir.
88,
Present, sir.
89,
Present, sir.
90,
Present, sir.
91,
Present, sir.
92, 92, absent, 93,
Present, sir. 93.
93 present, 94,
Present, sir.
95,
Present, sir.
96,
Sir, 96 is not there.
or 97 is there, 98,
Present, sir.
99,
Present, sir.
600, 600 option, 601,
601 not there, sir.
602,
Present, sir.
603,
Present, sir.
604,
Present, sir.
605, option 605,
5
606,
present, sir. 605 present.
605 present,
Yes, sir.
606,
Sir, present, sir.
607,
Present, sir.
608,
Present, sir.
609,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
12,
Sir, 11, 611 present, sir.
612 present.
13,
13 present, sir. 13 present. 613.
14, 14 option,
Present, sir. 614.
14, 14, present, 15,
Present, sir.
Present,
Sir,
sir.
614 present.
16, 14 present, sir, 16, 616, 17,
Sir, present, sir. 17, 617. Vaibhav Sharma, present,
Yeah.
sir. 617.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Sir, 20 present.
21,
21 present, sir.
22, 22 absent, 23,
Present, sir.
23 present, 24,
Present, sir.
25,
Present, sir. 625.
25, 26,
Yes, sir.
26, 27,
Present, sir. 627.
28,
Sir, 28 in chart box, sir.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Present, sir.
29,
Present, sir.
30,
30 present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32,
Present, sir.
options are 71, 70, 79 are there, 82,
Sir,
Sir,
570
71
present, sir.
present, sir.
79 not there. 82, 92, 95, 600, 601.
Sir, 600 present, sir.
95, 595. 582, 592, 595. 600, 601, 622.
600 present.
Sir,
600.
622 present, sir.
622 present. Now only joined.
Sir, 600.
No, sir. My actually, instead of switching on mic, I left the meeting by mistake.
Okay. 601.
600, sir. 600.
600 strike. Now 79, 82, 92, 95, 601 absent. இப்போ ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்கேன். ஸ்ட்ரைக் பண்ணி.